Finally they've come. The super sweet airplane designs. You download this off of super sweet sites and you get 3 wishes. I want to fly. I do it in my dreams. Secondly, I'm terrified, absolutely terrified of spiders and snakes. And I need to get over that phobia because I can't even leave the house sometimes. Thirdly, I've always wanted to play guitar. It's such a hard instrument. It's got 6 strings. I can't figure it out. So my wish to Super Sweet is I give you my soul, I read your site every day, I give myself to you, and you grant these 3 wishes. At the end of this little session, I expect to be playing guitar like Slash. Okay, first step, in order to do this and to get your wishes, you must get into a super sweet trance. I tend to listen to Slipknot, as I find it relaxes me to get in the mood. Hey kids, it's pretty goddamn easy. Just download it. Self-explanatory. Cut around, very close to, there you go, very easy lift. Anyone can do this. I mean, anyone. You know, probably even the ex-drummer of the Stereophonics, he could probably even figure it out. Step 2, once you've got your wings, get some glue. Get some glue. Get some glue and just put it on some cardboard. Glue the wings onto the cardboard like this. Very easy. Kids can do this. Okay, once you've got all your pieces, you make a slit on the side of the plane and you slide it in through the side this way. Okay, not this way, not this way, not this way. I said this way. Like that. Careful. There you go. Now, your final piece of this plane that's going to grant you 3 wishes is to get the landing gear on. Easy. Sweet. Super sweet. Oof. Feel that power. Oh, super sweet plane. Oh, super sweet plane. Oh, super sweet plane. Oh, super sweet plane. Grant me my 3 wishes, please. You will no longer be frightened of snakes and spiders. I don't want to be frightened of snakes and spiders anymore. Grant me that wish, super sweet plane. Super sweet! Super sweet! Super sweet! Look, snakes on a plane! Snakes on a plane! Snakes on a plane! Oh, that's not so bad. I'm no longer afraid. It's only a spider. Kind of cute. Incredible. My first wish granted. Now for my second wish. Like I said, I've always wanted to be able to play rock guitar. Now for the third and final wish. Remember, you can get any wish you want. You don't have to copy mine. My wish is to be able to fly without wings, but this plane can fly, so can I. This plane can fly, so can I. This plane can fly, so can I. You must total faith in Super Sweet to do this. You don't want to get this wrong. I believe I can fly.
Thanks, Super Sweet, for fulfilling all my dreams. For a second there, for a split second, I was really flying there. Ouch.